Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all been asking for a hair video, so here it is. So first, I start off by detangling my hair. This is very important because once your hair is wet, it's gonna be harder to detangle. So this step makes it a bit easier once you start washing. My scalp is so itchy. So I did a little research and I found that lactic acid can help with it. So that's what I'm trying here. I mix equal parts of lactic acid and water, and I just applied it to all the itchy parts of my scalp. So let's just say my whole head, and I let it sit for about 30 minutes. You feel a little tingle every once in a while. I hope it works because I got a whole bunch of lactic acid in my scalp itchy, and it's perfect. I hope it works. After I rinsed my hair in water, I went in with the Dr. Miracle's conditioner shampoo. Since this shampoo is a conditioner shampoo, it doesn't strip your hair of its natural oils, but it still gets your hair clean. When I shampoo my hair, I only like to shampoo my roots. The rest of my hair will get clean once I rinse it. But I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl. Now I'm going in with the Creme Intensive Conditioner Treatment. This is a new conditioner that I've been trying on my hair, and I think I love it. This is my first time actually using it as a deep conditioner, and I think it works wonders. My hair was well moisturized and soft, which is really important to have before you straighten your hair. After I'm finished brushing the deep conditioner through my hair, I tie it in a bun and I put on a plastic cap and I wait about an hour to rinse it out. Now we're at the most important step of this whole process, the blow drying part. How well you blow dry your hair will really determine how silky your hair will get. I will always recommend to use a heat protectant, but I don't have any right now. love how my hair turned out. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them below. Thanks for watching.